Oh, Indiana has some really good food. Comes to this place. You always ask the locals. I asked the lady at the car dealership, where is the good food in your town? And she said, Back 40 Junction. Yes, that airport footage is because we are not in Atlanta. We are in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I have never been to Fort Wayne, but this is pretty much all Fort Wayne is trees and trees, a little bit of rain. So we're here, we are picking up a very cool vehicle. You all know part of my job is to help people find and secure and do everything necessary when they're purchasing a car. So one of my close friends was very bored with the last car that I found for him, although it's a very cool car, and we'll have a video on that coming up soon because it will be for sale, and it's a pretty rare car too. So he started searching for what he wanted. I told him, look for what you want and then just tell me and I'll find it. So he found exactly what he wanted. I went looking for it. I found 2 or 3. I picked the best one, negotiated the deal, did the research on the vehicle. And now, as a full service concierge and consultant automotive service, I am in Fort Wayne, Indiana, picking the car up, and we're gonna drive it back to Atlanta. So road trip, I do a lot of road trips. I have not got to highlight any of them for the channel, but I do a lot of road trips. And so, yeah, we're gonna have some fun, pick up this car, and try to get some good footage and see what it's all about. So my friend is super excited that he is getting this car and is getting to get rid of the car that he has. So you're gonna see the process, just a quick video, quick road trip, and we'll take the car back to Atlanta, and then we'll go get his car and we'll sell it for him. So that's what we're doing. So let's hit the dealership. Well, I don't see it yet, so I guess we gotta go inside and find it. Gosh, what a great spec. All right. Save the manuals. Listen to this. Yeah, boy. All right, let's do some driving. Turbo noise. All right, we picked up the WRX in Indiana, and now we are in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And if you are a gearhead or a bow tie guy, and you already know what I have a bunch of in my driveway. If I'm in Bowling Green, the Corvette National Museum. Gotta go. And I have yet to see a C8 Z06 in person. So I'm guessing if there's anywhere that a C8 Z06 is gonna be, it's gonna be at the National Corvette Museum. go see the showroom floor where the famous sinkhole happened and all the Corvettes fell into the ground. And they actually have a display now where you can see all those cars. Poor C4. Oh man. Alright, I can get with that. Another poor C4 ZR1 Spider. Such a special car. This one got one of the worst of it. Also the C6. It was a customized C6. Donated and torn to shreds. Anybody want that LS? So we're gonna head back to Atlanta, clean this thing up, and deliver it this week. And now we get to drive through some mountains and see what the all-wheel drive does, or how it handles.
What is up? Dude.
All the way fresh from Indiana. I come to deliver this car to a person who I definitely don't deserve it. Okay? This car is way too cool. It makes way too many cool noises for the person that it's going to. So we gotta cool him up to reach the level of the car. That's what we're gonna do.
All right.